Greetings, Chocoholics. Welcome back to Aroma Chocolates. My name is John Nielsen, and today I've got a really cool video for you. I think it's something you're going to find really interesting. I received in the mail today a package from Slow Food Group with some vanilla beans in it. They are Comoros vanilla beans, and they have vanilla crystals on them. So I hope you find this video interesting. We're going to unbox this little package here. We're doing a little unboxing video. I'm going to show you what these vanilla crystals look like. So in case you ever see something like this on your vanilla beans in the future, you'll know that it's vanilla crystals or mold. So let's take a look. All right, now I have not opened this package other than just this right here, so I don't know what's going on inside. And here we are with the Grade A Comoros vanilla beans. Now they've packaged these a little differently than they normally do. Normally the vanilla beans you get, they are vacuum packed like this. And that's how they recommend you store them, vacuum sealed, so that they don't grow any mold. But these are not, because they would destroy the vanilla crystals. So let's open this package up here and take a look at what we've got going on. All right, we're going to cut this right here. Looks like they've wrapped this in some kind of parchment that looks like it's kind of an oily paper. It smells like vanilla. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Anyway, we're going to just open this up very carefully. Hopefully these vanilla crystals have survived. Ooh, wow. Oh, wow. That's really cool. It's all sparkly. Oh, wow. Now these are small crystals. They can get a lot bigger than this. Those Comoros beans. They've got a nice, they almost smell like raisins. And they've got a raisin and fig dried fruit smell to them. It's very, very nice. But man, this is just flooding me with vanilla fragrance. It's just amazing. So we'll see how well this camera picks up these vanilla crystals. Now, some people will get vanilla crystals. These are very, very small right now. And this is what they look like. They sparkle. If you get anything different than this on your vanilla beans, it's likely mold. Mold will start out in little small white tufts. They will not be sparkly like this. And let's take one of these beans. Let's run my finger on it real quick. Well, you can wipe them off. They certainly don't melt on your finger. This is not mold, folks. This is vanilla crystals. You see how that just sparkles? If something's going to grow on your crystals, or on your vanilla beans, this is what you want. These right here, very fine. It almost looks like fiberglass fibers. It's not. And that's a crystal right there. Those are vanilla crystals all over the place on this. So those are desirable. This is just the sign of a very high quality vanilla bean from the growers. They are doing a very good job of growing a high quality product where these are grown. And Slow Food Group has oh, well, look at these. Oh my goodness. This is not mold. Those are vanilla crystals. If you see this on your vanilla beans, these are vanilla crystals. They're very light. You can see that they're kind of flowing, but they're very kind of sparkly. Nothing like mold. This is definitely not mold, folks. Yeah, these are definitely vanilla crystals. Very beautiful. So we've got some that are just kind of starting out right here. A lot of this on here is just like, these were larger crystals, I'm sure, and they just got kind of sort of crushed up in the mail. It's the way it goes. It's no big deal, but we got some long ones here. So what I'm going to do with this particular package is I'm going to take most of these and I'm going to put them in this glass tube. I've got a couple of them. I'm going to put them in this glass tube, put this rubber stopper on them, and leave them in a slightly warmer spot in my house to encourage them to grow. So we want to keep these in an airtight container. So I would say around 72 to 74 degrees. You can keep them in a drawer in your room or whatever, but somewhere that's warmer in your house. Here, this one doesn't really have much, but they're starting. There's some little seed crystals on there. Can you see them? They kind of sparkle. But this whole package is full of vanilla crystals on these beans here. There's some right there. Look at those. Okay, gang, I have now put these in containers. I've got a couple of glass test tubes here, and I've put them, they've got a rubber stopper on them, put it on there nice and tight. I've got these vanilla beans with their crystals in there, and we are going to let these grow in a nice controlled environment to see how much these beautiful vanilla crystals grow, to see how long we can get them. I've also got some that I put in a very lightly vacuum sealed bag. So you can see it's not vacuumed all the way down tight. There's still some air in there, but it is airtight. And we are going to leave this particular one down here in my kitchen, and these are going to go upstairs into a little bit warmer area of my house. I keep my kitchen down here around 68 to 70 degrees, so it might not be ideal to grow the crystals, but we are going to try it out, see what happens down here in the kitchen. And these will go, we'll just put them back here. We'll kind of forget about them. We'll put them back behind our cocoa butters from Chef Rubber. And like I said, these guys are going to go upstairs in somewhere in a little bit warmer part of my house so we can get these crystals to grow. And in about a month, we'll do another video and we'll show you the outcome of what these look like. Thanks a lot, Slow Food Group, for these awesome grade A Comoros vanilla beans. I highly recommend Slow Food Group. I can't recommend them enough. They are absolutely awesome. Skip the co-ops. The co-ops stuff, their prices aren't as good as they claim they are, and the quality isn't that great. Go with Slow Food Group. They have the best quality and awesome prices. I have never been disappointed with what I've got from them, ever. So, highly recommend them. Go order your vanilla beans from Slow Food Group. All right, everybody, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope you learned something. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, have a sweet day.